slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness.
And results. Ready? Context-aware workflows. Predictive steps, drafts, code reviews, and reports, done in minutes, not hours. Join the workflow upgrade. Watch the full breakdown, then try it yourself. Meet your AI twin. Real workflows, real speed. Drafts, code, reports, done in minutes. Smarter context, fewer clicks. Watch how it changes your day. Stay for the full breakdown. Features, workflows, and how to start today while staying private. Ready to level up? In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how Gemini and Claude AI can level up your workflow. Faster builds, smarter content, fewer clicks. Here's where we're going. 1. What it is and who it's for. 2. Features with real workflows. 3. How to start fast while staying private. Ready? In a sea of digital tools, one platform promises a step change. Gemini and Claude AI, a unified layer that understands context and helps you work faster and smarter. Let's dive in. To truly understand Gemini and Claude AI, we have to go back to its inception. While AI tools were becoming more powerful, they often operated in silos. Users had to juggle multiple applications, each with its own steep learning curve, leading to fragmented workflows and lost productivity. He saw a future where AI wasn't just a specialized function, but a unified, intelligent layer, woven into the very fabric of our digital experience. His vision was to create a single, cohesive platform that could understand context, anticipate needs, and act as a true digital partner. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, the company he founded was built on this principle of user-centric design. The goal wasn't just to build a powerful AI, but to make that power accessible, intuitive, and genuinely helpful. This product has been meticulously designed, with features that promise not only to streamline tasks, but also to bring a new level of intelligence to personal and professional computing, moving beyond simple commands to collaborative problem-solving. So, what exactly is Gemini and Claude AI, and who is it for? At its core, it's an AI-powered workspace that acts as an intelligent overlay for your existing applications. Think of it less as a standalone program, and more as a co-pilot for your digital life. It's designed for a wide range of professionals. For developers, it's a pair programmer that can spot bugs and suggest optimizations. For content creators, it's a creative partner that can help brainstorm ideas and generate drafts. For project managers, it's an analyst that can track progress and flag potential risks. Essentially, if your work involves a screen, Gemini and Claude AI aims to make you better at it. Now, let's talk about the features that set Gemini and Claude AI apart. This is where the magic really happens. First and foremost is its ability to seamlessly integrate with existing systems. This isn't just about simple API connections. The AI deeply understands the context of each application. It can pull a task from your project management tool, find the relevant files in your cloud storage, open them in the correct software, and even draft a status update email when you're done. This contextual awareness is what eliminates the friction of switching between tasks, enhancing productivity without extensive modifications to your workflow. Another key feature is what they call predictive workflow. The system learns your habits and patterns. If you typically start your day by reviewing analytics and then drafting a report, Gemini and Claude AI will proactively gather that data and prepare a report template for you. It's about moving from a reactive command-based interaction to a proactive, anticipatory partnership. Let's look at a couple of real-world workflows. Imagine you're a developer on a tight deadline, stuck on a complex bug. With Gemini and Claude AI, you can ask it to review the last commit for potential memory leaks. The AI scans the code, cross-references it with best practices, and not only highlights the problematic lines, but also suggests a corrected code snippet with an explanation. This turns hours of frustrating debugging into a minutes-long collaborative session. Now, let's switch gears to a content creator. They need to launch a campaign for a new product. They can start by asking the AI to brainstorm 5 campaign angles for a sustainable coffee brand targeting Gen Z. From there, they can select an angle and ask it to draft a blog post, 3 social media captions, and a script for a 30-second video. The AI generates cohesive content across all formats, maintaining a consistent tone of voice, which the creator can then refine and finalize. Moreover, the benefits of using Gemini and Claude AI are clear, and they extend beyond simple convenience. Users report significant reductions in project completion times and an overall increase in output quality. For example, a small marketing agency reported a 40% reduction in the time it takes to launch a new client campaign. This wasn't just because tasks were automated. It was because the AI helped them avoid bottlenecks and improved collaboration. It's not just about faster computing, it's about smarter computing. This smarter approach frees up human talent to focus on strategy, creativity, and high-level decision-making, which in the long run can save you significant time and money. So, you're intrigued and want to get started. The onboarding process is surprisingly straightforward. After signing up, you're guided through connecting your primary apps, your email, calendar, cloud storage, and tools like Slack or Jira. The key here is to be thorough. The more access and context you give the AI, the more powerful it becomes. A great best practice is to start with a single, well-defined project. Use Gemini and Claude AI exclusively for that project to really learn its capabilities and how it can adapt to your specific style of working. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and commands. The more you interact with it, the faster it learns, and the more valuable it becomes. Of course, no tool is perfect, and it's important to consider the limitations. The platform's effectiveness is highly dependent on the quality of the data and the integrations you provide. If your digital workspace is chaotic, the AI will struggle to make sense of it. There are also valid conversations to be had around data privacy. Gemini and Claude AI emphasizes its on-device processing for many tasks and transparent privacy policies, but it's crucial for any user or organization to review these carefully. Looking ahead, the company's roadmap includes deeper integrations with specialized industry software, more advanced multimodal capabilities, allowing it to understand images and video, and even more personalized adaptive user interfaces. But why is everyone talking about Gemini and Claude AI right now? Recently, the product was part of a major breakthrough in contextual AI that allows for more intuitive, long-chain user interactions. This means you can give it complex, multi-step tasks in natural language, and it can execute them without needing step-by-step guidance. This leap in capability is what has made it a hot topic in tech forums, and even mainstream news. Understanding the importance of this tool for its users, it's clear that Gemini and Claude AI is not just another tech product. It's a potential game changer in how we interact with our digital environments, shifting the paradigm from user as operator to user as director. As we wrap up, remember that staying updated on innovations like Gemini and Claude AI can give you a significant advantage, whether you're a seasoned tech professional or just starting to explore the power of AI. This tool is a powerful testament to how rapidly our digital landscape is evolving. It represents a move towards more intelligent, integrated, and ultimately more human-centric technology. Tools like these are at the forefront of that change, and understanding them is key to navigating the future of work. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Gemini and Claude AI and found it informative, please let us know in the comments what you think about these kinds of integrated AI tools. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more content like this coming your way, breaking down the complex world of technology into clear, actionable insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.